quick review of adding and subtracting, multiplying and dividing scientific notation. So when you're adding, you have to have the exponents, the power of 10, be the same. So you may have 3.25 times 10 to the third and adding 2.6 times 10 squared. You can either add 1 to 10 squared to make them both 10 to the third, or you can subtract 1 from 10 to the third to make them both 10 squared. I think I said add 1 to make them both 10 to the third, or subtract 1 to make them both 10 squared. We're going to add 1 to make them both 10 to the third. So when you add 1, you remember Lars, you're going to move the decimal point to the left when you add an exponent. Left add, right subtract. So now I have 3.25 times 10 to the third plus 0.26 times 10 to the third, and that gives me 3.51 times 10 to the third, and there's no adjustment needed because I have only one number here. Same rule applies for subtraction. Now, what if I'm multiplying or dividing? Well, I have to use my exponent laws, sorry. Let's do 4 times 10 to the fourth divided by 2 times 10 to the third. I get, divide these, so I get 2 times 10 to the, what's 4 minus 3, because of the quotient rule, times 10 to the 1. So the answer would be 20.